Size and signed qualifiers. In order to change the size of the variables, there are many qualifiers available in C language. In this lesson, we will discuss more about the qualifiers. Here's the size qualifier, which is used to increase or decrease the size of the variables. For example, if you declare an integer variable which occupies only 2 bytes, but then you need to store more than 2 bytes, you can use a long size qualifier. In other cases, you may use a short size qualifier which uses less storage than int, thus saving space when only small numbers are needed. Take a look at the examples. Here, account number and reg number variables can only accept numerical data which is larger than int. And then age variable accepts the data which is smaller than int. Another qualifier is the signed qualifier. It is used in the technique of the 2's complement. This means that they are accustomed to the binary value. The C language provides 2 qualifiers which are related to signed or unsigned numbers. Signed numbers are mainly used to store only positive or negative values. If we wish to store a great quantity of positive or negative values, we can go to an unsigned qualifier. The unsigned qualifier is similar to the signed integer, but the signed integer cannot store a great amount of data. Let's see the following example. Here, players count is an unsigned integer value, which can store more positive or negative values than a signed integer. I hope you understand signed and unsigned qualifiers.